Hello and welcome to the Voice of the School. My name is Darina and today I want to tell you about my hobby. My hobby is folk dancing. I like folk dancing because it makes me feel happy and full of energy. I practice twice a week with my dance group. I really enjoy being on stage. Folk dancing is important to me because it shows our traditions and culture. I love learning new steps and feeling the rhythm of the music. Thank you for listening to my report for the Voice of the School. See you next time.